guys, welcome back to my channel today, or welcome if you are new over here. First of all, please excuse my voice. I've had a cold off and on for like the past month and a half now, so I apologize if I sound a little weird. But anyway, today's video is going to be a Power Hour collab video with two of my sweet friends here on YouTube. They are also doing the Power Hour video and we just collab together. So I will leave their links for that video in the description box down below. So I would love it if after you watch this, if you would go over to their channels and check out their videos as well. So since I'm only going to be cleaning down here for about an hour, I'm just going to go ahead and let you know if you're expecting to see a super shiny clean home at the end of this video, you clicked the wrong one because it ain't gonna happen. But I do get as much as I can get done in a short amount of time. So keep on watching if you'd like to see.
Know exactly where to push or pull.
So let me go ahead and give you a little bit of a backstory here. Basically what had happened was our dog Rosie decided that she no longer liked her nice, comfortable, fluffy bed anymore and decided to rip it to shreds in the middle of the night when everybody was sleeping. And I wish I could say that this is the first time this has happened, but Rosie hates comfort. I don't know what this dog's problem is, but you give this dog a fluffy bed, a towel, a blanket, anything, and this dog will rip it up. She does not want it anywhere near her. And the only time she goes in her kennel is at night, and that is only because we don't want her doing something like this to the couch or a chair while we are all asleep. But at this point, I think I'm just gonna try and get her to start sleeping in bed with me so that I can keep an eye on her, because this is not working for me.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Guys, that's going to be all from my little power hour video today. I didn't get a whole lot done, but I'm very happy with what I was able to get done in a short amount of time. And like I said earlier, this is a collab video with two of my sweet friends here on YouTube, so it would mean the world to me if you would go on over to their channels now and check out their power hour video and some of their other videos too, because they have some great content over there as well. So be sure to check the description box down below and go click on their links. But thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and watching this, and I will see you all in my next one.